Imagine waking up on Mars minus 225 million kilometers from home. No rescue, no backup, just you. And Mars trying to kill you. 30 days of oxygen. 30 days of food. That's all on Mars, and NASA says. Only 5% survive this long on Mars from the dawn of history. To the edge of tomorrow on worlds like Mars, we bring you the untold stories of survival, science, and the human spirit, even on Mars. This is History to Future. The first 72 hours on Mars decide if you live or die. Mars air is 95% carbon dioxide. One breath and you're gone. Step 1. Build shelter. Now, Mars won't wait. Temperatures on Mars swing from 20 degrees Celsius to minus 153 degrees Celsius every day. Your shelter must be airtight. One leak and Mars takes you. Step 2. Find water, hidden deep as ice beneath Mars' surface. Melt it, but energy is running out on Mars. Ration every calorie. 60 meals for 30 Martian days. One mistake, and you starve before Mars' 20th sunset. Now, the real killers of Mars arrive. Radiation, Mars' invisible assassin. On Mars, space hits you every second. No magnetic shield to protect you. In 30 days on Mars, you'll take the dose of 100 chest X-rays. Dust storms bury your solar panels. For weeks on Mars, power fails. Oxygen fails. Mars wins. 6 hours of backup oxygen. That's it. On Mars, that's nothing. Mars is silent. No life. Just you and the red desert. Isolation on Mars hits harder than radiation. By day 15 on Mars, most minds break. You start talking to people who aren't there on Mars. One snapped wire. And Mars takes your last breath. Mars gravity is eating your body alive. Bones thin. Muscles shrink. Heart strains. All under Mars pull. Oxygen recycling must run perfectly, or Mars wins. Day 30 on Mars. You're still breathing. But Mars is still watching you. If you love epic stories of survival and discovery, subscribe now and join the journey from history to the future and beyond Mars.